On the additive manufacturing side is very prominent in the spine surgery market. There's a lot of technology that is enabling some of these spine surgeries to take place with geometries on implants that were never possible in the past. These cages here have geometry in it that was in older days of manufacturing impossible to manufacture. There are lattice structures in here that promote bone ingrowth. They also have features in here with either a locking mechanism or bone packing locations that, again, would be very difficult to manufacture any other way. In our Portland facility, we have two major platforms to do our additive services with. One of them is an electron beam melting platform. We also have a laser systems to do other types of implants that require maybe finer technology or finer shapes. The additive technology is really made to print in any metals. The kinds of parts we're talking about at the spine show are titanium, because that's the largest materials that are used for manufacturing implants in the spine space. The machines are capable of printing in a variety of metals like stainless steel and many of the other cobalt chrome materials that might be used in an implant. Having the additive portion of our manufacturing is a really good complement to our standard manufacturing, where we would take bar stock and convert that into parts. Having both platforms available for our customers to use, extremely important. It gives them the flexibility to come to a single source and have access to a variety of manufacturing types, additive or subtractive.